So I'm going to show you why you may need to put food coloring in your toilet bowl. Have you ever had to come into the bathroom and on the toilet bowl itself notice like condensation or water dripping from the actual toilet bowl? One reason for this could be you need to turn on your fan, but bearing that it's not that, and that would be kind of a common thing you'd probably know. You'd walk into the bathroom and be so human. There may be another reason for this. So what we'll do, let's go ahead and take the lid off here. So what we can test for is a leak with the actual flapper here. And you may say, like, why would that cause condensation on the toilet bowl? Well, what may happen is that new water would continuously be coming in the toilet bowl. And when the new water comes in, it's colder than the water that would just be right here. Colder water coming in consistently may cause the outside of the toilet bowl to kind of show condensation and weeping, so it'd be building up on the side. And how you can kind of test that if it's a slow leak in the flapper, what you can do is you can take some food coloring, and we'll take the lid off here. And what you can do is you'll take the food coloring and put a few drops in the toilet bowl. So we've got a few drops in there, and we'll let that spread around for a minute. So see, you can kind of see how it's spreading here. So what this will allow is the food coloring in the toilet bowl. If the water is actually seeping slowly through the flapper here, then we'll be able to see it down here. We'll be able to see it coming from the toilet bowl. Now, of course, you wouldn't want to flush this. You'd want to let it sit for at least half an hour, I'd say. And again, that's just one reason why you might find condensation on the side of your toilet bowl. And that could be a fix for it. Our flapper is not leaking, so we're not going to notice any food coloring coming through, but I'll go ahead and just kind of lift this slightly so you can kind of see that it would come through. So see what I'm saying here? You can see that food coloring come through, and that's what you would kind of see if there was a leak in the flapper. It'd be coming through that hole right there in the bottom. So I hope this video helped, guys, and leave any comments if you had any issues like this in the past where you've had condensation on the toilet bowl or just kind of wetness dripping on the base of your toilet here and you don't know where it's coming from, but you notice this is wet here and it's not cracked or anything.